Alright, so me join you now. That's someone up here, someone then? No, okay, come on. Go on in. Oh,
This is a part, there's a lot of business in Florida.
Ted McIntosh, welcome to the stream, brother. Tell me how you're looking at them, you know, so eventually this thing is going to now. One of them days I'm going to try to see if you can set up the current system and rate in that stream. I'm not going to go and do anything. Start give us some credit and some things and things, you know. Cool, what Sunday I go and see you, because my Sunday kind of start off a little rough way still. You see, kind of wait this morning, big to go spend some time with my baby and baby mother and sitting, but a be rain. Jamaica wash away, boy. I don't know. Rain and thunder. I don't know if I hear me good too, you know, cause more while, you know, more while. Martin, Roger, Louis, Wagwan. Up, brother, up. They are going all for one stream in the evening. They are planning to do one upload to the bus. Really the fall and a bag of things. Up, Warrior Angel, up, Rhyme, up. Jimmy, they are planning to do one upload to the bus. Few things that are going, so just decide to, you know. Wagwan Billy, welcome to the stream, brother. I'm there. So I do a quick stream to you people if I don't know what I'm going to do. Too soon, I don't know what I'm going to do. Tony, you know, say something in a game? Tony, you know, send me in a game, I'm going to send him a message, you know. Welcome to the stream, brother. I'm there. One stream I cut 8:30 about 30 something. So I'm gonna go to one at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna deal with everybody that one. Why are you streaming at 368? Because if I go any higher than that, Billy, I'm going to get cast and phone. If I'm not lucky enough to get cast and phone, if you not just skip out. Because I live a country and a bush internet I stream for, you see me? Yeah. That's why I say stream 360. I could have tried and bump it up, but I know it's not going to get problem. I'm not asking, no. I can't. Don't, I can't do anything to it. No. No. Alright, I can't do nothing to it. Alright, maybe we could be trying to try any country. That's all. Yeah, we found 20 to the about. So we should get 5 here. Alright, now any streamer start about people and 2 are going. So I'll try maybe 720p, alright? So hold up. Nobody not go nowhere. Soon first.